So today I'm going to show you how to use the drawing tool app on Screencast-O-matic. So usually the screencast launcher tool is right here, but for mine it's not. So I have to click on the three little buttons to show here. There it goes. And so you can uncheck these or check them for the cursor halo and the highlight clicks. You can choose your color. I've already selected blue. After you've done drawing your drawings, you can go back and clear them. You can pause and stop your recordings from here. You can choose your sizes. Let's go with this one. And to start drawing, you can see my little halo cursor halo there. But to start drawing, you're going to hit the shift key, and then you're going to click and drag. You can just move all over the page. If you want to switch your colors, it's super easy. You just go back, change your colors, shift. Super easy. And then you can go back here and clear your drawings. And the nice thing is when you click on something, your little highlight tool pops up, little blue bubble there, so that it's easier to follow where your cursor is and what you're clicking on. You can go